Good morning everyone. This presentation discusses Module 4, which explains the flexible learning environment and how learning has changed because of technology. So what is flexible learning environment? A flexible learning environment is an educational setting that allows learning to take place beyond the physical classroom. It provides opportunities for students to learn anytime and anywhere through the use of digital technology and internet-based resources. This type of learning environment supports different learning styles, learning speeds, and personal circumstances, making education more inclusive and accessible. So when we say flexible learning environment, ibig sabihin po, hindi lang sa loob ng classroom nangyayari ang learning. Pwedeng matuto ang students anytime and anywhere, basta may internet and may device. So mas may freedom ang learners kung kailan and paano sila mag-aral. Depende sa situation nila. So, this setup helps students adjust their learning based on their needs and daily responsibilities. So, next po, we have online distance learning. Online distance learning is not a new concept. Some schools, higher education institutions in the country, and educational agencies such as the Southeast Asian Ministers of Education, Innovation in Educational Technology provide this mode of learning. It allows flexibility in learning to a certain extent. So, when we say online distance learning is when teachers and students are not physically together. Hindi tayo nakikita sa classroom, pero tuloy pa rin ang lesson using online platforms. May live online classes, tapos merong ding recorded lessons and modules na pwedeng nyong aralin sa sarili nyong time. Kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, learning still continues and mas flexible talaga ang schedule. Pero kailangan dito ng discipline kasi kayo mismo ang magmamanage ng time nyo. So we have different platforms. The flexible mode of learning uses different platforms including MOOC, Moodle, Schoology, Google Classroom, and Edmodo. Sa mga different platforms na ito, pwedeng magturo ang teachers, magbigay ng activities, and makipag-discuss sa students kahit online lang. So, Moodle stands for Modular Object-Oriented Dynamics Learning Environment, which is an open source software. So, it is a learning management system or LMS that supports teaching and learning. So now, let's talk about Moodle. Moodle po is a platform na ginagamit ng schools para sa online classes. Dito nag-a-upload ang teachers ng lessons, quizzes, and activities. Dito rin kayo nagsusubmit ng requirements and nakikita nyo yung grades nyo. So, basically po, parang complete classroom na siya pero online. Lahat ng kailangan nyo for the subject, kadalasan nasa Moodle na. So, next po, we have Google Classroom and Edmodo. Google Classroom is a free service for teachers and students. It is an LMS platform that is accessible Google account. You can create classes and perform your roles and functions as a facilitator of learning. In 2008, Edmodo was created by Nick Borge, Jeff O'Hara, and Crystal. Martina 2015 compared Edmodo and Google Classroom in her blog. Although she discussed Google commonalities, there are apparently differences. Several technology things evolve in so short a time. So when we say Google Classroom, this platform is ginagamit para ma-organize yung lessons and assignments. So, teachers post announcements and activities, tapos kayo naman doon kayo mag-susubmit. Madali lang siyang gamitin kaya hindi kayo masyadong mahihirapan mag-adjust. So, very helpful ito lalo na para ma-check nyo agad kung may bagong task or announcement. While when we say Edmodo naman is parang social media pero for learning. Pwede kayong mag-post, mag-comment, and mag-message. Kaya mas interactive ang learning dito kasi parang nag-uusap lang tayo kahit online. Mas comfortable ang students dito mag-ask and mag-share ng ideas. Then we have Schoology. Schoology is another LMS founded in 2009 by Jeremy Friedman, Ryan Wang, Tim Trinidad, and Bill Candler. You can actually create your own online distance education learning system using any of these platforms. So, Schoology daw po is another platform used for managing online classes. Dito, nilalagay ng teachers yung lessons, quizzes, and deadlines. Makikita nyo agad kung ano yung gagawin and kailan ipapasa, kaya mas organized ang class and hindi kayo nalilito. So, malaking tulong ito para hindi kayo ma-miss ng requirements. Lastly, MOOC stands for Massive Open Online Course. It is a model for delivering learning content online to any person who wants to take a course. It allows one to pursue learning even outside of university or higher education formal structure. So, when we say MOOC, these are online courses na open to everyone. Kahit wala kayo sa formal school nyo, you can still enroll and learn new skills. Maganda ito lalo na kung gusto nyong matuto ng extra knowledge or skills and kayo mismo ang bahala sa pacing nyo. So, perfect to for self-learning and personal development. So, that's all po.